Hello everyone. Now we are introducing the latest third generation USB to SATA adapter for the Western Digital SMR hard drives, especially for the USB hard drives. Now we can see this is one Western Digital charger hard drive, and this is one USB hard drive. This drive, it has the SED problem, and it has also the MCU knock. In many cases, we need to convert the USB interface to SATA interface. And we need to convert this one on the original USB PCB to fix the SED issue. Now let's check how to install this USB to SATA adapter onto the original USB PCB. Here we can see there are some screws. Now we need to install the screws first. So there are 4 screws we need to install. So we don't need any screwdriver. We just need to simply fix these 4 screws, and then we can notice there are 4 hollow space. So there are 4 holes. We need to simply and put this okay, slightly press down, then we fix the screws. Okay, now we can see we have successfully converted this USB interface to the SATA interface. Now we can work on this Western Digital SMR charger hard drive, the USB hard drive by SATA interface. We can now go to the DFL Western Digital firmware repair software to back up the ROM, generate unlock ROM, and write unlock ROM to fix the MCU knock. Thank you for watching the video.